Do you have a bottle of water? Would can I have water, or do you have water? Like if you're just asking for water if you're at like a homestay house or hotel or something.
你有一杯 water
水
吗？一杯 in this case is also one, but 杯 is the unit you use for cups.
Oh, so it's referencing 1 cup of water. Because otherwise you're just saying like, it's kind of like saying, do you have liquid?
Yeah.
Like
and 杯 actually, 杯子 is actually just cup.
杯子.
Yeah.
Mm.
Nest TV, I actually thought of a word that you use Thai with, which is car. So I would say, let me write that slightly below. 一台车子 one car. And I saw your clip about I love you. That's pretty funny. Thanks for clipping that.
Voila. I'm glad I can inject occasional comedy into it.
Let me write the pinyin down.
Okay.
你有
一
杯
水
吗?
Do
Do you have a cup of water?
Oh, I missed E.
一杯
你有一杯水吗？
一台车子
一台车子 And that's you have one car?
one car.
Cool.
You have one cup water.你有一杯水吗? What's the shortest way you can reply to this? 有.
What if I wanted to reply and be like, no, I want 2 cups? Or wait, that wouldn't make sense. Or like you could reply and say like, oh, hot or cold, or you could say like, is a bottle okay? It's like bottle. I don't know. I'm thinking of like responses you could get from someone who might over anticipate your Chinese ability at first.
Hot or cold would be 冰的还是热的? Funny enough, in Chinese, it's more common to say cold or hot.
Oh, instead of hot or cold?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Let's add a tiny divider in between to separate them. Yeah. And in this case, the is sort of just a supporting word. So you could say 有的. Do you have a cup of water? 有的. And then I can respond 有的. 冰的还是热的? Do you want it hot, cold, or hot? But this is sort of I'm not asking you for a full sentence. So I can ask 你要 Do you want cold or hot? Do you want it cold or hot? 你要冰的还是热的?
Could I just reply like 要冰?
You would reply
or
冰的.
Or
you could actually just reply with 冰的 or 热的. 谢谢. And you thank the person for being thoughtful
nice
and getting you water.
Cool.
And another, so to respond, if you ask me, 你有一杯水吗?
你有一杯水吗?
Mm-hmm. And if I don't have one, and I would say 没有.
没有.
Or 我没有.
Which is
I don't have.
That'd be I don't have any, or there isn't any.
Yeah, both would work. 我没有对不起, which is sorry, I don't have it.
Should be sorry. Just want a cup of
Better
water.
be sorry. And I'm going to introduce a word here that will be really helpful in any context when you're asking for a question or even asking for a favor. And it's also generally good, which I do all the time, which is to say 请问. Whoa.
请问.
That looks like it has so many more strokes. 请问. 请问 is sort of a polite way to start a question. 请 on its own is sort of like, so if I'm asking if we're walking through a door, and I could say, oh, I would like point you to the door and then say, please. So 请 on its own sort of means please, or like it's a very polite expression.
Like a polite gestural.
Yes. And then 问 on its own is like question. It's a verb. 请问 is sort of like how you can start any question that you're asking. So if I'm going to the subway station asking them about ticket question, or if I'm stopping a stranger and asking them about hotel direction or restaurant direction, or if I'm going up to a waiter asking for napkins, I would always start with 请问. Because if you just start with 你有一杯水吗? It's like, hey, yo, you have a cup of water? It's sort of
it's a little abrasive and indirect kind of thing.
Yeah. But then if you start a sentence with 请问你有一杯水吗? It's very polite. It's not like overly polite. It's what I do all the time, and people definitely appreciate it, because when you exclude
it's almost like excuse me.
Yes,
thing.
It's the equivalent of excuse me.
Okay,
so you could actually put 请问 in front of a lot of things. Excuse me. I would put it here. 请问你有一台电脑吗? So this would be like if we're in a class and I don't know you, and I could like go up to you, which is you're my classmate or you're my teacher, and I could be like 请问你有一台电脑吗? Or 请问你可以吃花生吗? If I'm hosting you, like if I'm hosting my friend and you for dinner, and I know my friend but I don't know you, my friend brought you, and I could just be like very politely asking, oh, could you eat peanuts? So yeah, you can add 请问 to basically all the questions you're asking.
Gotcha. Cool.
请问. I think that's like quite a bit of new words that we're introducing today. I'm going to show a little bit of like, just now we went through cold and hot, and it could be really cool to combine them into the sentence of, excuse me, do you have a cup of cold water?
Yeah, or
excuse me, do you have a cup of hot water? So the way to do that, let me actually just move. Whoop.
I'll just move the, reorganize the sentence a little bit.
Start by circling them and then moving that one down. Cool. So in this case, we have these two sentences here. 请问你有一杯水吗? 请问你有一杯水吗? Could you try saying that back to me?
Sure. 请问你有一杯水吗?
Yeah. And when I'm saying that, if I want to add cold to it, I would actually add.
Can you just say 冰的水吗?
Yeah.
Just put it in there.
Yeah. So I would grab this part and move it right here. 请问
So 请问你有一杯冰的水吗?
Yeah. Ding 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 ding. Correct.
I can now successfully get water. This is good.
And if you want to ask for a cup of hot water, you could also put it here.
So this would be 请问你有一杯热的水吗? Learning, trying. Admittedly, I'm in a slight food coma from the holidays, but for the most part, it's together.
Cool. So in this case, 冰 and 热 is an adjective. It doesn't make too much sense, but you could actually say like 冰的电脑 or like 冰的茶. Cha is tea, and I know you really like tea.
I love tea.
Yeah.
So I could use this if I'm like trying to hold a hot versus a cold drink.
Yes.
If there's like cold matcha, hot matcha.
Yes. So you could actually say. There's now motivation.
This is a whole new value to me, this one sentence now. I can successfully order tea in China.
请问你有一杯冰的茶吗?
Oh, I'm gonna do one better.
Do you want to try?
Sure. Sorry. I'm very excited about the sentence now. 请问 Right?
Yeah.
请问 Okay.
请问
请问你有一杯冰的matcha吗?
Mocha.
Mocha ma.
Yep. Do you want to try saying it?
Frankly, that one sentence is probably all I need to know to survive anywhere. Like,
that's great.
Get me a hot or cold tea.
Class ends today, and you will never see us again.
请问你有一杯热的水吗?